plumbers hate it. I love it.
Well, some plumbers say it's not part of plumbing. They say it's just drain cleaning.
Just drain cleaning. Just your dumb drain cleaners. Give me a dumb drain all day long. Little bloody bulwark having to move cable around and stuff, but after that, easy money.
Well, not always easy. Sometimes they're a nightmare.
90% of the time, easy money.
Dirty money, shitty money,
Dirty money.
smelly money. You need some electricity. Oh, over here.
The main thing about it is knowing where to stick your steak. Knowing
your
where
what?
to snip. The main thing about it is. The main thing about it is knowing where to stick your steak. Oh my god.
Are you hungry? Knowing where to stick your snake.
Inside a dirty hole.
The poop hole. Ew. Yeah. Well, it's been a minute since we were here.
Yeah. Gotta go grab the donut. But there you go. Dirty hole goes away.
Starting now.
Gotta go grab the doubles.
So satisfying. Oh,
Got tree roots on me.
I'll pull them back. Now you lost it.
Well, I'm gonna run a set of doubles through there. That's it. Drain cleaning, lines open in what, 20 minutes?
20. The video I have for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Sorry, guys.
Bye.
See ya. My eyes.
What?
Put your eyes. I had some roots, but we sent them down the hill.
Yeah, not that bad. We lost most of them. Cool.
Make sure you always run your doubles after a root job.
Why is that?
You don't need to know why.
We're not telling the people.
All right, fine. Make sure your drain cleaner runs his doubles after a root job. Otherwise,
He'll be
you
back.
never clean the side of the pipes.
He'll be back.
He'll be back.
He'll be back. All right. You like the what?
A recall.
What's a recall?
Where I gotta come back for free.
Wait, who doesn't like the recall?
Me. You're the customer because I got shit to deal with.
Shit.